Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining this 10-minute yoga drills for strength. We're gonna work the shoulders and the core, and you're gonna leave feeling super energized. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more yoga drills, come and check me out on omstars.com, where you can practice with me live every week. Okay, let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, hands in prayer. As you exhale, rest your hands down, start to connect into your breath, your body, your mind. Then activate the muscles of the pelvic floor and a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes and let's begin with inhale, arms out to a T shape, long deep breath in, extend your shoulder blades away from each other, and we'll hold for 5 breaths. That's 1, deep breath in, 2, 3, keep working, 4, almost there, 5, exhale, take it down. Good job. Come on over onto your hands and knees. Hands are going to be shoulder width apart, your knees hips width apart. Grip your fingertips, root down through the heels of the hands, rotate your tailbone a little bit under, and let's hold this tabletop position for 5 breaths. 1, steady deep breathing. 2, check in with how you feel, so we're warming up the wrists and the shoulders. 3, nice and easy, looking good. 4, 5, good job. Let's roll through cat and cow. Inhale, extend your spine, deep breath in. Exhale, round, rotate the tailbone under. Inhale, extend, deep breath in. Exhale, round, tuck it under. One more. Inhale, extend, deep breath in. Exhale, round and under. Good job. Now, gaze between the hands, step one leg back, rotate the tailbone under, and inhale, come up to plank. Fire up the shoulders. Let's bring your feet together. Activate your thigh muscles. Rotate that tailbone under. Strong abs. Hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3. You can do it. If it gets too much, you can sink the knees down. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, chaturanga. Bend your elbows, lower down to a push-up. Inhale, roll forward, upward facing dog. Lift the center of the chest. Exhale, roll back to downward facing dog. 5 steady breaths. Let's go for 1. Keep the mind nice and calm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch your gaze forward and exhale as you sink the knees down. Then let's place both elbows on the ground and we'll walk it back to the Dolphin Plank. Step your right leg back, rotate the tailbone under, spread the shoulder blades away from each other, and inhale, the left leg goes back. Oh, that's nice. And do it right there. 1. Make sure you feel the shoulders, soften the neck. That's it. Easy does it. 3, 4, 5. Good job. I want you to walk up to planks. You're going to walk your left hand back and put it where your left elbow is. Inhale, walk up to full plank. Now we're going to walk back to Dolphin Plank. So exhale as you drop that right arm down, left arm down. Let's walk it back up one more time. Inhale, left side. Inhale, right side. Good. Now we're going to switch the directions. Exhale, left arm, right arm, back to Dolphin Plank. Inhale, walk it back up. Let's do one more time. We got the left side as you exhale, right side as you exhale. Inhale, walk it on up. Good. Hold your plank. You feeling the shoulders? My shoulders are burning a little bit. I hope yours are too. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, big breath in. Exhale, downward facing, big breath out. Nice. Let's go for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, steady breath, shoulder blades away from each other. 4, almost there. 5, let's switch your gaze forward and exhale, cross your feet. Now you're gonna come down to seated. Rotate the tailbone a little bit under, point the feet, move the knees lightly away from each other, and then inhale, extend the arms and fire up your core. We've got 1, steady breathing, 2, 3, 4, almost there. 5, hands on the ground, rotate the tailbone under, and exhale, draw the knees together and hands forward. 1, 2, keep breathing, 3, almost there, 4, and 5. Inhale, let's roll it up, then lean back. Let's bring your feet off the ground and move the knees just a little away from each other. And this is Navasana, or the boat pose. It's a wonderful core strengthener. We've got 2 more breaths. 1 more breath, and then knees together, straighten your legs, hands on your thighs, hold. 1, 2, nice work. 3, we're gonna do it one more time after this, so it's not gonna be over. 4, and 5, inhale, come up, check in with yourself. You wanna put your feet back on the ground, or do you wanna straighten your legs? Stay for 5, 1, that's it, keep working. 2, don't be surprised if this is hard. Keep coming back and keep practicing, and you get stronger with each breath. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, lower down. That's 1, 2, 3, stay right here. 4, don't come up for this one. Hold it for a little extra. Then hands underneath your head, bend your knees, come in, hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, extend, hold. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4, hands come forward. Inhale, roll it up. Good, nice job. Bend your knees, hands back behind you. We're gonna lift up to reverse tabletop to release any tension in the front of the hip joint. And inhale, lift the hips. 1, steady breath. 2, 3, almost there. 4, and 5, exhale, sit it down. Now, point your feet, take the hands forward. We're almost done, just a little bit more. Stay with me, how you feeling? Exhale, hands to the left. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands to the right. Inhale, hands up. Want to make it a little more difficult, touch the hands on the ground. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, we can touch. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, we can touch. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, we can touch. Want to make it harder, float the legs and touch. Inhale, lift. Exhale, touch. Inhale, lift. Exhale, touch. Don't hurry. Exhale, touch. Want to make it harder, straight legs. Exhale, touch. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, touch. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, touch. Hands up. Exhale, touch. Hands hold your ankles. Lift the center of the chest. 5 breaths. 1, 2, almost there. 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, hands back behind you, hips up and forward. 1, deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, sit down. Close your eyes. Come down to a comfortable seated position. Deep, steady breaths. Bring your attention back to your breath. Bring your attention back to the body, and just feel a sense of settling, a sense of connection. Notice how the energy is moving through the core, through the shoulders, through the whole body, just that little bit stronger. Then gently bring your hands together. A long, steady, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this 10-minute yoga drills. Keep practicing and you'll get stronger every day. Namaste.